Hello everyone and welcome to English Logic Studio. Today we're learning 20 essential words for home life and daily activities. These are the words you'll use every single day to talk about your routine and household tasks. Let's learn these practical vocabulary words together. Our first word is wake up. This is a phrasal verb and it means to stop sleeping and become conscious, the first action of your day. When you wake up, you open your eyes and become alert after sleeping. You can wake up naturally or with an alarm clock. It's different from get up. You wake up first, then you get up from bed. You can say, I wake up at 6:30 every morning for work. You can also say, please don't wake up the baby, she just fell asleep. Our second word is brush. This is a verb and it means to clean teeth with a toothbrush or style hair with a hairbrush. You brush your teeth to keep them clean and healthy, usually with toothpaste and a toothbrush. You also brush your hair to make it neat and untangled. You can say, don't forget to brush your teeth before bed. You can also say, she brushes her hair 100 times every night. Our third word is cook. This is a verb and it means to prepare food by heating it, making meals in the kitchen. When you cook, you're making a meal from ingredients. You can say, I'm learning to cook Italian food. You can also say, who's going to cook dinner tonight? Our fourth word is clean. This is a verb and it means to remove dirt, dust, and mess, making something tidy and hygienic. You can clean your house, clean the windows, or clean the bathroom. You can say, I need to clean my room this weekend. You can also say, the kitchen is clean and ready for cooking. Our fifth word is laundry. This is a noun and it means washing and drying clothes, the process of cleaning fabric items. You do laundry in a washing machine, then dry it in a dryer or hang it up. You can say, I have to do laundry tomorrow. I'm running out of clean shirts. You can also say, could you help me fold the laundry? Our sixth word is groceries. This is a noun and it means food and household items bought from a store, shopping for everyday necessities. Groceries include fruits, vegetables, meat, dairy, bread, and cleaning supplies. You can say, I'm going to buy groceries after work. You can also say, we need groceries, the refrigerator is almost empty. Our seventh word is nap. This is a noun and verb and it means a short sleep during the day, resting for 20-90 minutes to recharge energy. People take naps when they feel tired or want to recharge their energy. You can say, I'm going to take a quick nap before dinner. You can also say, the baby takes 2 naps every day. Our eighth words are lock and unlock. These are verbs, and they mean to secure or open something with a key, code, or mechanism for safety. You lock doors, windows, and cars to keep them secure and safe. Unlocking means opening something that was locked. You can say, don't forget to lock the door when you leave. You can also say, I can't unlock my phone, I forgot the password. Our ninth word is charge. This is a verb and it means to give electrical power to a device like a phone, tablet, or laptop. You charge devices by plugging them into an electrical outlet with a charger cable. You can say, I need to charge my phone. The battery is almost dead. You can also say, remember to charge your laptop before the meeting tomorrow. Our 10th word is remote. This is a noun and it means a handheld device used to control TV, air conditioning, or other electronics from a distance. This is short for remote control, a handheld device that controls your TV, air conditioner, stereo, or other electronics from across the room. You can say, where's the TV remote? I want to change the channel. You can also say, use the remote to turn up the air conditioning. Our 11th word is shower. This is a noun and verb, and it means to wash your body with water and soap, a daily hygiene activity. Most people shower daily to stay clean and fresh. You can say, I always shower in the morning before work. You can also say, take a hot shower. It will help you feel better. Our 12th word is dishes. This is a noun and it means plates, bowls, cups, and utensils used for eating, washing them after meals. After meals, you need to wash the dishes to clean them for next time. You can say, Whose turn is it to do the dishes tonight? You can also say, I'll cook dinner if you wash the dishes. Our 13th word is vacuum. This is a verb and it means to clean carpets and floors using a vacuum cleaner that sucks up dirt and dust. Vacuuming keeps your floors clean. You can say, I need to vacuum the living room before guests arrive. You can also say, the vacuum cleaner is in the closet. Our 14th word is sweep. This is a verb and it means to clean floors by pushing dirt and debris into a pile using a broom. After sweeping, you usually use a dustpan to collect the dirt and throw it away. You can say, please sweep the kitchen floor after you cook. You can also say, I swept up all the broken glass with a broom. Our 15th word is mop. This is a verb and it means to clean floors with water and cleaning solution using a mop to remove stains and dirt. Mopping removes sticky spills, stains, and deep dirt that sweeping can't get. You can say, the bathroom floor needs to be mopped. You can also say, I mopped the kitchen, so be careful, it's still wet. Our 16th word is trash. This is a noun and it means garbage or waste that needs to be thrown away, managing household waste. You put trash in trash cans or garbage bags, then take it outside for collection. You can say, the trash can is full, someone needs to empty it. You can also say, don't forget to take the trash out tonight, pickup is tomorrow morning. Our 17th word is organize. This is a verb and it means to arrange and sort items in a neat, logical way, putting things in their proper places. You might organize your closet by color, organize papers in folders, or organize your kitchen cabinets. You can say, I spent Saturday organizing my bedroom closet. You can also say, we need to organize these files before the meeting. Our 18th word is water. This is a verb and it means to give water to plants and flowers to help them grow and stay healthy. Different plants need different amounts of water. Some need daily watering, others only weekly. You can say, I water my houseplants every Tuesday and Friday. You can also say, could you water the garden while we're on vacation? Our 19th word is feed. This is a verb and it means to give food to pets and animals to keep them healthy and happy. Dogs and cats usually eat twice a day, while fish might eat once daily. You can say, don't forget to feed the dog before you leave. You can also say, I feed the cats every morning at 7 a.m. Our 20th word is schedule. This is a noun and verb, and it means to plan and arrange activities for specific times, organizing your day or week. You might schedule appointments, meetings, or personal activities. You can say, I need to schedule a doctor's appointment for next week. You can also say, let's schedule our family movie night for Friday evening. That's all for today. You just learned 20 essential words for home life and daily routines. Try using these words this week as you go about your daily activities. Thanks for joining me today. Keep practicing and I'll see you in our next lesson.